Hello class 11, good morning. This is your physics class and we have already discussed in chapter vectors, addition of vectors. Now we are going to start subtraction of two vectors. See here, let there is a vector A, another vector is vector B, and angle between two vectors is theta. Here theta is the angle between two vectors. It's okay. Now we have to find vector A minus B. Subtraction of vector means we are subtracting a vector from another vector. How we represent the subtraction of vector? See here, this is the vector B, and if we take a vector of equal magnitude but in opposite direction, then this vector is negative of this vector. We say here O A B and we say B dash. Here vector OB is vector B and vector AB, OB is vector A, vector AB is vector B and vector AB dash is minus vector B. Means vector AB dash is the negative vector of vector AB. It's okay. Now we apply the simple concept of addition of vector. Addition of vector using triangle law of vector addition. So what is the resultant vector here? When we are adding vector OA and vector AB dash, this is the resultant vector. So we have here, this is resultant vector. It's okay. So from diagram, resultant vector OB dash is what? Vector OA plus vector AB dash. So we can write this is your resultant vector and here vector A and this is minus B vector. So it gives the subtraction of two vectors. Now we want to find what is the magnitude of two vectors. From the last day's concept, the magnitude of resultant of two vectors is A square B square plus 2AB cos theta whole under root. and the angle of resultant is b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. This is the resultant of addition of two vectors, vector A, vector B, and theta is the angle between them. We apply this formula to find the magnitude of resultant of vector when two vectors are, when one vector is subtracting from the second vector. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, तुम एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर में ये रिजल्टेंट का फॉर्मूला तुम्हारे पास था और उसका डायरेक्शन था, हम इसी फॉर्मूला को यूज़ करेंगे। देखो यहाँ पर ये जो एंगल हुआ, ये एंगल कितना हो गया 180 डिग्री माइनस थीटा। इस केस में एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स, वेक्टर A and minus vector B, what is the angle between them? A 180 degree minus theta. So in this case, when we apply the formula, we get your, this is the magnitude of resultant, A square B square twice AB cos 180 degree minus theta. Okay, we know that what? We know that cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay, this is minus cos theta. So magnitude of the resultant in this case will what? A square B square minus 2AB cos theta. This is the resultant of subtraction of vector A and vector B having angle between them is 180 degree minus theta. And what is the direction? So we have tan beta, this is your tan beta. In this case we may write sine 180 degree minus theta divided by A plus B cos 180 degree minus theta. Okay, see here, sine theta, sine 180 degree minus theta is sine theta, and you know that cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta. So here we get what? Tan beta is B sine theta divided by A minus B cos theta. This is your subtraction of vectors. It's okay. Again we recall the addition of vector and subtraction of vectors using triangle law of vector addition. See here, if vector A and vector B are added, and theta is angle between them. So what is the resultant when they are added? Addition. In case of addition, resultant is under root a square b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay? And tan beta means direction of resultant is b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. When the two vectors, this vector a and vector b, we are going to subtract vector b from a. In that case, what is the resultant? In this case, in case of subtraction of vectors, resultant A is, see, very similar formula, but a difference. In place of plus, we take here minus, and 2ab cos theta. And also, in case of tan beta, we have b sin theta. Here, a in place of plus, we take minus b cos theta. It's okay. Now we do some simple problem based upon addition of vector. Let in a problem it is given that the magnitude of two vectors are equal, as well as when they added, when we take the vector sum, the magnitude of resultant is also equal to the magnitude of either vector. Here in this problem, vector A and vector B. Magnitude of vector A is magnitude of vector B. If they are added, the resultant vector is this one, and also it is given what? Magnitude of vector R is same as the magnitude of vector A. Again, listen the problem. If magnitude of two vectors are equal to each other, and also the resultant magnitude of resultant of addition of two vectors is equal to the magnitude of either vector. Question is find what? Angle between vector A and vector B. How we will solve this question? Simply, here given what? Given what? Vector A is vector B, let it is x. So R is also x. Use the formula. So x square is x square twice x into x square and cos theta. It's okay. From here x square cancel, so you get 0. X square 2x square cos theta follows minus x square is 2x square cos theta. X square cancel, so we get what? Cos theta is minus half. So theta is here is 120 degree. If cos theta is minus half, means theta is 120 degree. Your question was the two vectors of equal magnitude added to each other, what the resultant we get? The magnitude of the vector resultant is equal to the magnitude of either vector. Again here we see, let x be the magnitude of vector A or vector B, and x is also the resultant of vector R. Just we apply the formula. What is the formula? R is under root a square b square twice ab cos theta, taking squaring both sides. So r square is a square plus b square twice ab cos theta. Apply here. X square s square to x square cos theta, and solve this, and finally we get the what? Cos theta is minus half, so theta is 120 degree. It's okay. If we represent the two vector here of magnitude, equal magnitude, and the resultant, we will see like this. This is vector A, vector B, 120 degree, and resultant is here. C vector R such that vector A, vector B, and vector R equal, and also 120 degree. 120 degree. Here theta between two vectors is 120 degree. It's okay. Now we take a problem related to subtraction of vector. One problem. If a person is moving in direction east with speed 4 km per hour, he find that the rain is falling vertically downward with speed 3 km per hour. It's okay. Your problem is rain is falling 3 km vertically downward, and a person is running on a horizontal road towards east with the speed of 4 km per hour. The question is that at what angle the person should hold an umbrella to protect himself with from the rain. How we solve this problem? At first we draw the diagram. See here, the vector of, this is the point of action, and this is your vector OA we say, and this is the vector of main running, so Vm, and magnitude of Vm is given 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, and rain is falling vertically downward, so we say OB. This is rain, and magnitude of rain falling 3 kilometer per hour. It's okay, and the question is how we solve this. At first we take the negative vector of man. And what is the negative vector? Here we take a vector in this direction. We say A dash, OA dash, this is Bm minus. Okay, and draw parallelogram. You know that when two vectors are added, the diagonal of parallelogram made by the vector is the resultant vector. So this is the person experienced the direction of rain falling. Actually rain was falling vertically downward, but he is moving with some speed. He finds that falling of the rain is like in the diagram, and this is the angle. If you want to protect by the rainfall, the direction of umbrella is this one, this diagram. In this diagram it is represented to the protect the man is running, and this is theta, so this will also theta. Let the theta be the angle at which the person hold umbrella with respect to vertical direction. Now we have, this is a right triangle. This is right triangle, and here this is given what? This is VR. VR magnitude is VR magnitude is 3 kilometer per hour, and this is the vector magnitude is Vm magnitude is 4 kilometer per hour. From this right triangle take tan theta. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base, so we get 4 by 3, so theta is tan inverse 4 by 3. So to protect the person from rain, he have to hold the umbrella at theta angle, that is tan inverse tan inverse 4/3 with vertical and towards the east, है ना। जैसे तुम अगर जिस डायरेक्शन में दौड़ रहे हो, जिस डायरेक्शन में तुम जा रहे हो, छाता को, अपने अम्ब्रेला को उसी डायरेक्शन में वर्टिकल से इंक्लाइन करना पड़ेगा अगर रेनफॉल वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड में हो रहा है। इस सवाल को कैसे बनाएं? सवाल में दिया हुआ था कि पर्सन इस डायरेक्शन में एक पर्टिकुलर स्पीड 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर से जा रहा है और रेनफॉल वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड हो रहा है 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर से। हम क्या किए? पहले मेन की वेलोसिटी का निगेटिव वेक्टर लिए या यूज हम किए सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर। ये आ गया हमारा -bm, इसका मैग्नीट्यूड वही होगा। अब यहाँ से पैरेललोग्राम बना दिए, पैरेललोग्राम लॉ यूज किए। यू नो दैट व्हाट resultant vector in this case is the diagonal of what? Parallelogram. This is your resultant. This is your resultant vector. So we say here V, only vector V. Okay. And if you want to find what is the resultant velocity of rain, see here, vector B, magnitude of vector B, this is the resultant velocity of rainfall, and here this is a right triangle. So you may write, use Pythagoras theorem. So we have what? 4 square, 3 square, so what? 25, 5 kilometer per hour. You will experience, the person will experience of rain falling when he is running in a given direction. When rain is falling vertically, it is increases with respect to actual velocity of rain. Here we get 5 kilometer per hour. It's okay. We will discuss resolution of vector in next class. Okay. Thank you.